We just got a package. It's from I Heart Guts. We just got a package. I wonder what's in it, even though I ordered it and I know what it is. So this comes from I Heart Guts, and I Heart Guts is a small business based in Los Angeles. And they make plush organs, and they make keychains in the shape of organs with like cute little punny sayings and stickers and pins and all these things. And I ordered 2 things from them because I am someone who has chronic illness. I have endometriosis. I had surgery in August, and they discovered that, but my endometriosis was at a level that they couldn't remove all of it. So I will be going to the Mayo Clinic in Minnesota in March, and I have a week of appointments. Every day, I think I have like 7 or 8 appointments. So I thought it would be fun to get a little something that will make me feel better and is just really cute. And you know, since I don't have a working uterus, I thought I could order one from I Heart Guts. So let's unbox my uterus. That's a crazy sentence. Oh, you guys are gonna think this is so funny. This is so good. Okay. Oh my gosh, cute! They gave me a sticker. Well, see, this is I Heart Guts. They have like t-shirts. They have cute organs with brains and belly laughs. They have t-shirts and everything. These are all of their cute little plushies. Look at this. Isn't this incredible? They're so cute. And they have more. There are some here, some online that I don't see here. So they have more online. I got a little uterus sticker. Look at that. Oh. Uterus, I love you. When it's that time of the month, you may not like your uterus much. But hey, you wouldn't be here without one. The truth. Don't forget it. So give props to this special reproductive organ. Besides, if you think cramps are bad, you should try childbirth. I'd rather not. I got myself a uterus backpack. Look at this. Guys, it's my uterus. At least this one functions. It's like a cute little backpack that I can take with me to my appointments. And it has a zipper. Like, this is a functional backpack. Look at this. I can fit my whole hand and then some. Stop. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed with this. I also got to put on the zipper of the backpack. It's a vagina. Look at that. She's sparkly. Cute. I'm gonna put this on my uterus backpack, not my actual one. Look, my uterus backpack. And my little vajayjay keychain, and it says, hooray for the vajayjay. I Heart Guts is great. They educate people about organs. They make it fun with these like plushes and these keychains and stickers and all these things. And they also donate to important places like Black Nurses Rock, Planned Parenthood, Doctors Without Borders. Like they are doing the things, okay? They are donating to the important places. They are educating, and they're making health so cute. I mean, look. Oh, I can't wait when I go to my appointments and they're like, can I have your ID, please? And I'm like, sure. Here's my ID. Like when I'm walking around to my different appointments and I'm just holding this on my back and just through the Mayo Clinic. Like, how'd I guess? That is my uterus. Yep, you see it. You're like, oh my gosh, your uterus is on the outside. And I'm like, yep, my uterus is on the outside, just like my endo on the inside is outside of my uterus. Isn't that funny how that works? Yeah. Anyway, I'll keep you guys updated on how those appointments go. I'm very nervous, excited, but I'm very happy that I have this. This is so cute. Makes me excited. I Heart Guts did not pay for this. I paid for it myself. This was not free. This is not sponsored. This is not a gift. The only gift is being able to have something like this that brings me joy in a time where my life feels very stressful and unpredictable. But I'm so excited for this.